We all store precious memories on our Android devices: photos, SMS, music, and more. Want to back it all up? This quick guide covers 7 easy solutions to back up your Android completely. Let's dive in. Way 1. How to take full backup of Android on PC via Android Backup and Restore. When accomplishing Android backup entirely, everything is easy with the aid of Mobikin Backup Manager for Android. In short, this product provides a more concise interface and functions to help you complete entire backups. Step 1. Download and install this utility on a computer. Open it and link your Android phone to the computer via USB or Wi-Fi. Likewise, enable USB debugging on the device to make it be recognized by the tool. Step 2. Once detected successfully, click the backup option from the main screen to enter the Android backup window. If you want to perform a full backup, tick off all the file categories here. Step 3. After that, please click Browser to set a location to store the files. Finally, tap the Backup button on the bottom right corner to initiate the full Android backup. Way 2. How to take full backup of Android phone via Assistant for Android. Want to back up your Android without using cloud storage? Your computer is a great option. We recommend Mobikin Assistant for Android Data, an easy tool to back up and manage your phone. Step 1. Get the tool installed and launched on a computer. Connect your Android phone to the computer via USB cable. Next, enable USB debugging on your phone if prompted. Step 2. Follow the easy on-screen prompts to get your device identified. Once done, you'll be taken into the main interface. Step 3. Click Super Toolkit from the top menu bar to reveal the backup and restore buttons. Step 4. Tap Backup and check the data types you want to be included. Finally, specify a location for saving the chosen items and press Backup to save them on your computer. Optionally, to back up your Android phone selectively, go to the main screen of the program. Choose the file types on the left menu, preview the details, and mark what you desire before clicking Export to save them on the computer. Way 3. How to take a full backup of Android phone with Google. Go to Settings, Google Backup, check Storage, and turn on Backup to Google Drive or Google One. Tap Backup now, then connect to Wi-Fi and a charger. Also, enable Backup and Sync in Google Photos. Way 4. How to make a full backup of Android phone using ADB. Download Android SDK tools, install Platform Tools in Android Studio, and enable USB debugging on your phone. Connect your device and go to C. User's username app data local Android CDAK platform tools. Use ADB commands like addb backup, allfc, ab to backup data. Add APK for apps or shared for SD card data, then enter a password and tap Backup My Data. Way 5. How to do Android full backup with Orange Backup root required. Install and open the app, granting root access for detection. If it fails, manually select your device. Choose the backup type and tap Continue. Configure cloud support, select your option, and click Configure. Tap the wand icon, then Start to begin. Wait for the backup to complete, and the tool will notify you when done. Way 6. How to create full backup of Android phone via TWRP recovery. Power off your device, then hold volume up plus power to enter TWRP. Tap Backup and select partitions boot, system, data, etc. Choose storage and swipe to start the backup. After it's done, tap Reboot System. Way 7. How to make Android phone full backup via Smart Switch. Samsung only. Open Smart Switch. Connect your Samsung via USB. If not recognized, reinstall the driver. Select Backup, customize in Preferences, tap Allow on your phone, then OK to finish.